eye on the numbers in the coming days in the weather department because that's going to determine the type of precipitation we see by the weekend. Right now, as we look at storm tracker radar, we are not really dealing with any issues locally or regionally. So that will pave the way for a continued quiet night, but it definitely is chilly. You can see those temperatures already in the 30s across the area, 36 in South Bend, and that's pretty much in line with where much of the Great Lakes and the Midwest is sitting in terms of temperatures. So overnight, skies remain clear. That paves the way for low to mid 30s by tomorrow. But we're going to talk about what's to come. Now, you notice Friday and Saturday, those overnight lows are going to be warmer, and that's because of a few opportunities for rain. One of which arriving Friday morning, and then more so clouds for Saturday rather than rain, at least for Saturday morning. Thursday's temperatures make their way to 56 degrees, but we do have to highlight that it is going to be a chilly start to the day. I don't expect 50s to roll in until the afternoon. Cloud cover will be building throughout the day ahead of our next weather maker, which is a cold front that brings showers and perhaps a very isolated rumble of thunder for your Friday morning. I would definitely have that rain gear out the door if your commute takes you out of the house early. But notice by 9 o'clock, most of the rain is out of here, and lunchtime, we're fairly quiet. At that point, you get to see some sunshine for the second half of your Friday, maybe an isolated rain shower for Friday night football games, but that's not a huge concern.
I had second thoughts. I'm gonna go to bed.
To make their way to 60 degrees on Friday, but then we see the bottom drop out in terms of those temperatures. I expect 50 for a high on Saturday. By Sunday, we'll probably be right around 40. Now, with that drop in temperatures, not only are we tracking rain, but by Sunday, we could be looking at some snowflakes mixing in with the rain as well. So let's time things out for your weekend. Saturday, an isolated shower is possible during the day. The better chance for rain works its way in after 6 o'clock, which means we're definitely going to be watching a wet game when Navy comes to town to take on Notre Dame. But notice overnight, Saturday into Sunday, as colder air moves in, we see snow mixing in with the rain, and a mix of rain and snow is expected for Sunday, and this will linger into Monday as well. In fact, Monday could be all snow for lake effect communities. Overnight tonight, we are clear. We're not tracking any type of precipitation, but it will be chilly with 30s by the time we get to tomorrow morning. We're looking at highs in the 30s to right around 40 to start next week before conditions improve, but it is going to feel